Look at that. This hair is so bomb. But like I said, if you like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. You guys have seen them on this channel multiple times, and that's because they are thebomb.com. This beautiful brown, dark brown, highlighted honey wig will come in this box right here. Black, simple, cute. You'll have your bag that has your specs, 13x4, Nadula. This is a glueless unit. It has an adjustable strap in the back, so you can adjust it to whatever comfort level is good for you as far as the tightness for it. I threw some layers in here just to give it like a mature vibe. I straightened it, but I kind of left some curls in there. I kind of, as you can see, kind of did some curls. You know what I mean? Curls for the girls. And then I sprayed this on my edges and then cut it with scissors and this deal right here. And as you guys can see, we got the job done. So I like this because it's versatile. It's super cute. It was longer than this. I did cut a little bit. I didn't cut the hair. I just layered it a little bit. But it's very full. Very soft, very natural. But yeah, this is some of the softest hair I've had in a while. I love this hair because it is super soft and flowy. It has a shine to it and it's just so soft, so soft. This hair comes customized, so this hairline, this plucking that you see, Nadula, leave it to Nadula. Look at that. This hair is so bomb. But like I said, if you like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching.